In this quick guide, how to create a rubric in PrepareBuddy's Evaluation Studio manually from an image or generated by AI from your assessment brief. From the Rubrics dashboard, create a new rubric. You have three paths: the manual builder, where you define every criterion yourself, uploading an image of an existing rubric, or letting AI draft it. Here we describe the assignment, a graduate-level case study on pollution in Delhi. Request a 100-point rubric with excellent to weak performance levels, list the 8 factors to score, and let the AI generate the complete rubric. Seconds later, the full graduate-level rubric, 100 points, every criterion spelled out with point bands for each performance level. Nothing is locked. Edit any criterion, adjust the scoring, rewrite definitions, or add custom instructions and distinction guidelines. Save it, and it becomes your standard. And that is creating rubrics in PrepareBuddy's Evaluation Studio. Explore the rest of this series for the full workflow, and get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.